Everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, you are going to see how to enable Snapchat Story Boost on Android. So to do that, you have to open up your Snapchat at first and then just tap on the picture icon. Just click a picture or a snap, and after that, tap on Stories, and now post it on Story. And after do that, go to your DMs or your profile. As you can see, the story is posted. So wait till it gets posted. So once it is done, you will find the option of boosting. So if you have a premium account, you can see the option to boost your story. So as I don't have a premium Snapchat account, I don't have that option. So if you do have one, you can just tap on the boost story option, and then it is done. So yeah, this is how you can easily enable Snapchat Story Boost on Android. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.